Welcome to the colorful world of vegetables and fruits. Healthy, tasty, and full of fun. Let's explore them all together. This is a tomato. It's red, round, and juicy. This is a potato, brown and round, used in many dishes. This is a carrot, orange, crunchy, and good for eyes. This is an onion, purple outside, full of strong flavor. This is cabbage, big and leafy and full of goodness. This is cauliflower, white and fluffy like a cloud. This is capsicum, green, crunchy, and colorful too. This is brinjal, shiny and purple, also called eggplant. This is ladyfinger, long and green, also known as okra. This is a pea pod filled with small, sweet green peas. This is a pumpkin, big, orange, and full of seeds. This is a radish, white, spicy, and grows underground. This is spinach, soft green leaves that make us strong. This is bottle gourd, long, light green, and easy to eat. This is bitter gourd, bumpy, green, and very healthy. This is cucumber, cool, fresh, and full of water. This is turnip, round, white, and purple, and soft inside. This is corn, yellow, sweet, and fun to eat on a stick. This is beetroot, dark red and good for the blood. This is chili, small, spicy, and used in little amounts. Great job! You learned 20 vegetables. Wow, that was fun! Ready for the next healthy surprise? Let's go! This is an apple, red and juicy. This is a banana, yellow and sweet. These are grapes, purple and round. This is an orange, full of juice. This is a mango, the king of fruits. This is a watermelon, big and tasty. These are cherries, tiny and yummy. This is a pineapple, spiky and sweet. This is a peach, soft and juicy. This is a kiwi, green and soft inside. This is a strawberry, small and red. This is a papaya, soft and orange inside. This is a lemon, sour but healthy. This is a lychee, red and bumpy outside, juicy and sweet inside. This is a coconut, cool and full of water. This is a pomegranate, full of red seeds. These are blackberries, dark and juicy. These are blueberries, tiny and blue. This is a dragon fruit, bright and cool. This is a guava, green outside, pink inside. This is a muskmelon, sweet and soft. This is a star fruit, shaped like a star. This is tamarind, tangy and fun. These are raspberries, red and juicy. This is a custard apple, soft and tasty. Yay! We learned so many yummy fruits today. See you next time. Bye-bye.